Hello everyone, welcome to our iTech Analytics Solutions YouTube channel. This is a complete Power BI DAX basic to advanced series. This is our 10th video in the series, and in this video we will be learning simple DAX functions, that is left, mid and right. Let's go to our Power BI window and see how we can actually work on left, mid and right. Let's click on this new column, and then in this we have this product ID. Let's try to take this first three characters. So what we'll do is we'll say product left equals left of. When I say left of, you can see the parameters text, comma and number of characters. The text I will take product ID. You can see that we have the product ID column, comma I need three characters from product ID. I'm mentioning three characters. Close the bracket, say enter. You can see I'll get first three characters. Now suppose I want the last 8 characters. I'll click on table tools, new column, and then let me mention product right equals right of product ID, comma, and I'll mention number of characters as 8 characters, close bracket, say enter. You can see that I'll get the last 8 characters. Now I want the middle 2 characters. So if you want to do that, we can mention the position, say 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. From 5th position, I want 2 characters. So we'll go, click on new column, and then we can use mid function, product mid of, you can see the first parameter text. So I'll mention product ID, comma, starting position, we have mentioned that it is 5th position, comma, number of characters. You can read the parameters, number of characters 2, and I'll press enter. You can see we'll get the middle 2 characters. So likewise, we can extract the first 3 characters by using left function, the last 8 characters by using right function, and if you want to get the middle 2 characters, we can use mid function. So this is left, mid and right. So in the next video, let's learn about a simple DAX function, that is concatenate. If anybody is actually looking for a better career in data analytics, please do contact us with the contact number mentioned on screen, or you can mail to us, or you can also visit our website www.itsinc.in. If you're not following us still, you can follow us on our YouTube, Instagram, Facebook and LinkedIn, and the link has been given in the description. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.